Hello guys, and welcome to another one of my little videos. It's been a while since I last did a retro tech video. And in some of my previous retro tech videos, I showed you some of my 8mm film projector collection. Well, today I will be showing you another bit of retro technology that's connected to 8mm film. And that's these film viewers. Now, normally, the way you would view 8mm film was through a projector. But the disadvantage of a projector is that it can be pretty hard to thread. And also, in order to project a big picture on a far away wall or screen, the lamp has to be very hot. But what these viewers allow you to do is to view the film on a small little screen like this. But what that means is that you're able to use a fairly weak bulb in order to see the image. That way you can actually stop on a single frame and look at it without the film burning up, which is what happens when a single frame gets stuck in the gate in a projector. Now, I have several of these film viewers. Here's another one. And I'm probably gonna be selling some of them. So like with my last couple of retro tech videos, I want to make a video about them before I sell them off. So this first one is the only one I have that can show regular 8mm film. So I will be demonstrating it with this home film from my great aunt that I showed you in a couple of videos a while ago. Here are the links to those. But because the others are for Super 8mm film, I will be using something else to demonstrate those. And it's something rather interesting. A Super 8mm film reel of The Empire Strikes Back. But now let's return to the regular 8mm one. It's been quite a while since I used any of these, so it took me a bit to remember how to thread them and use them properly. As you can see, the quality of this one is not the greatest, but it does actually look quite a bit better in real life. This next one is probably the lowest quality one of the Super 8 viewers, but it's still pretty cool. And since it is Super 8, I will be demonstrating it with the Empire Strikes Back reel. I got this reel off of German eBay, and it's the second reel of two. So the original 8mm release here was 2 reels. So the whole movie is cut down to about half an hour or something like that. So this is a shortened version, and this reel that I have is part 2. The reel does have sound on a magnetic stripe, but none of these viewers can actually play sound. But I do have a sound playing projector, so I tested it, and it's German dubbing. I muted the audio on these clips, and to show you why, here's a little clip of what this particular viewer actually sounds like. As you can see, the reel is also quite red faded, but there's still some color in there. Now this one's probably got the best picture quality of the bunch. It's also much less plasticky and a lot more sturdy than the others. It's mostly made out of metal. It's also got these little brushes that actually clean the film as it goes through. As you can see, the picture quality is much sharper here. And it also doesn't make nearly as much noise as the other one. Here's the actual audio of it in operation. Now, this one here is probably the most interesting of all of these film viewers that I own. And that is because it's got an electric motor. Now, because it's electric, it also makes a fair bit of noise, but actually nowhere near as obtrusive as the other one. Okay, enjoy a few clips from this reel. And I did record the entire reel running on this particular film viewer. And if you want to see that, I will be putting it on my Patreon. It's actually pretty interesting to see the way these are edited down, because they don't only just skip scenes, but they actually reorder them sometimes to make the story more coherent in this shorter form. Now, this viewer is really old, so the belts in it are probably really tired. So towards the end of the reel, when the right side starts getting heavy, I had to help it by hand. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you want to support this channel, you can do so by becoming a patron or donating directly to my PayPal. I really appreciate the help. Thank you guys very much. Don't forget to subscribe, and may the Schwartz be with you.